Did you know if you're working on the Volkswagen TSI 2.0 1.8 liter engines and you're getting misfire codes or you hear a whistling noise coming from the top of the engine, it could be the PCV valve right here. And believe it or not, a lot of times what fails is the diaphragm in here. You see how it has a little tube? You put your finger there. If you feel a little bit of suction with the engine running, you got a failed diaphragm. You can replace the whole unit itself. The newer ones kind of look like this, basically the same thing. It's a cheaper way. All you got to do is just pop the centerpiece off. All you need for that is a screwdriver. You unloosen the tabs on all the sides. So you get it like that. You pop it off. All that's in there is the diaphragm and a spring. This diaphragm, you can pick it up online for like 12 bucks. And this holds vacuum. But when it's, don't worry about that. Look at this. It's all ripped. So, of course, when it's ripped like that, all right, all the air, the suction is going to come out. You're going to feel a suction, or sometimes if it's positive, you're gonna feel the air come out of there too. Either way, that's a vacuum leak. Vacuum leaks cause misfiring problems. They cause lean mixtures. They cause the computers to run rich and make the car run rough and all of that bad stuff. And it can be replaced just with a simple $12 part that anybody can do.